Okay, histograms. This is going back kind of to 4.1 with bar graphs because they are related to a bar graph. They look very similar, but there's a slight difference. So a histogram is a bar graph that represents the frequency of numbers in a data set. But in a histogram, the horizontal, the left and right scale, is a measure of the data values. Numbers, very important. While the vertical, up and down, measures the frequencies. Lastly, the bars must touch. So there's no space like a regular bar graph because these numbers are a range of data. Okay? So, first off, determine the highest and lowest values. Subtract these two numbers to find the range of the values. Okay? And then you're going to divide by 7 to figure out how wide your bar should be. Then start at the lowest value and go up the width of that bar until you get to the highest value. And lastly, we'll count how many values fit into each interval and use that number to create the top of the bar. So here's our data. Following sample data lists the number of minutes 50 internet subscribers spent on an internet during their most recent session. Make a histogram to display the data. So first off, we have to find our lowest number. And it looks like it's 7. That's the only single digit we have in there. So good. Our lowest number is 7. And we got to find our highest number. Let's see, 50, 54 so far. Oh, 86. 86 seems to be the winner so far. Anything bigger than 86? That is it. 86. Okay? So that's our range. So remember, subtract the 2 and then divide. Okay? So 86 minus 7. Whoops. 86 minus 7 is 79. We're going to divide by 7. So about 11. Okay? So that means when I make my numbers down here, I'm going to start at 7. Okay? And then I'm going to add 11, so that's going to be 18. I'm going to add 11 again, which is 29. I'm going to add 11 again, which will be 40. And I'm going to add 11 again, which will give me 51. And 62. And then 73. And then 84. Now the problem is we have only one number, that outlier of 86, that's going to squeeze in here. So instead of making a whole thing that's only going to be its own graph, we're just going to make this 86 just to fit it in. That's okay. Now all you do is you count how many are in between 7 and 18. So just go through and start counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to determine, is 18 going to be on the left side or the right side? We're counting it. So anything at 29 will be on the left side. We'll go on from there. So this is 5 so far. We go through and check. Oh, there's another one. 6. You always want to double check. Anything less than 18. No. So over here, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. We just space them out. 5, 6, 7, 8. If we need more, we can do it. So here is between 7 and 18. And I like to just write the number on top, just for clarification so people don't have to look. Now, 19 to 29. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. That was an accident. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. So, 19 to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, we're including 29. 8. Looks like 8. So that means we're going up here to 8. Now we're doing 30 to 40. We're including 40, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the thing is, if I miss one and at the end, I can always just erase and bump it up. So 11. So 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to go up to about here. And it's not exact, it's just an approximation. Now, 41 to 51. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I missed one. We'll go back. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here's 7 right here. Now, to make my point, I screwed up. This should go up to 12. So I need a 12 here. I'm going to erase this and go up to 12. It's not a big deal. And just change that and cross out that 39. It happens all the time with data. So 52 to 62. It's getting kind of messy, so you gotta be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's up here at 8. 63 to 73. We know where 86 is going to go. 63 to 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is right about here. And the rest should be between 74 and 86. So 1, 2. And these numbers should add up to 50. So 14, 26, 33, 41, 43, 48. So I missed 2. And I can tell already that I missed this 51 right here, and I missed this 80. So 51, where does that go? That goes right here. Easy to fix. So I'm going to make this an 8. And then the 80 goes here. So that bumps up to 3. And it's not a big deal to make a mistake because this happens all the time. And that's it.